In this video, I'll show you how to use professional voice cloning in ElevenLabs. Start by opening ElevenLabs and signing into your account. Go to the voice section and look for the option to create or add a new voice. Depending on your plan and account, you may see professional voice cloning as an available option. Professional voice cloning is designed for creating a more detailed representation of a voice using suitable recordings. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to clone the voice. Next, prepare high-quality recordings. Clean audio, consistent speaking, and minimal background noise can help produce better results. Follow ElevenLabs instructions for preparing and uploading your recordings. The platform may provide specific requirements for the recording process, so make sure you follow them carefully. After uploading the required material, submit it for processing. The system will process the recordings and create the voice model. Once your professional voice is ready, you can select it from your voice library and test it using the text-to-speech feature. Generate several sentences and listen for pronunciation, tone, and overall voice quality. If the result is suitable, you can use the voice in your supported projects. And that's how professional voice cloning works in ElevenLabs. Always use voice cloning ethically and only with the proper rights or consent.